Myofibrillar myopathy, or MFM for short, is a collection of rare, genetic neuromuscular disorders. So, what exactly is it? Imagine the tiny protein structures inside your muscle fibers, called myofibrils, start to fall apart. This leads to progressive muscle weakness and the buildup of protein clumps inside the muscle cells. Now, MFM isn't just one single disease. It's an umbrella term for several subtypes, each caused by a mutation in a different gene. These subtypes can look very different from one another. Some might start in childhood, others not, until late adulthood. The symptoms can range from weakness in your hands and feet to affecting the muscles you use to breathe and even your heart. Let's break down some of the main types. First, there's desminopathy, which often shows up in your 30s or 40s with weakness in your limbs and can frequently involve the heart. The CRAB gene is characterized by weakness of the proximal and distal limb muscles, weakness of the neck, velopharynx, and trunk muscles, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, and cataract in a subset of patients. Myotelinopathy and zaspapathy typically start later in life, often with weakness beginning in the lower legs. Another one is philomenopathy, where weakness might start closer to the torso and can lead to significant breathing problems. And there's a particularly severe form called BAG3-related myopathy, which starts in childhood and progresses rapidly, affecting breathing and the heart early on. Besides these, there are even rarer forms linked to genes like KY kyphoscoliosis, peptidase, and PYROXD1. And TTN titanopathy, the gene that codes for the giant protein titan. The way MFM is passed down through families is usually autosomal dominant, meaning you only need one copy of the faulty gene from one parent to have the condition. However, some forms can be recessive. Even within the same family, with the exact same gene mutation, the symptoms can vary dramatically from person to person. One person might have mild symptoms late in life, while a relative could be more severely affected much earlier. This variability makes MFM incredibly complex to diagnose and manage. It highlights why genetic testing and detailed clinical evaluation are so important. Understanding these rare diseases is the first step toward developing better treatments and offering support to those affected. Thanks for watching.